Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful quick meal Evo, Vertrano Evo espresso machine. It comes to us not heating, it has some issues. It's all about like there was short inside, and there was like the root cause of it is this combo valve. It's vacuum release and overpressure combo valve. It's leaking from somewhere there, and it's causing a lot of damage in there, and that gets broken actually because of how much scale in the machine. So the machine needs a tune-up, but the customer decided not to do it now, and there was like another short caused because of this light. This is the old one. Here is it, and it was like outside all the way and touching the chassis of the from here. So I just replaced it, replaced the combo valve and put the machine back together. And after the customer just decided to do the tune-up later, and like so, the machine actually comes without the portafilter. So I'm just like gonna show it works again. There you go. And we test the steamer. That works perfect. And the hot water. That works perfectly. And the machine refilling again. So everything in the machine works perfect now. Thank you for watching.